This is Kathiawad, the renowned principality of Bhavnagar. Deputy Prime Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is on his way here to attend the unification ceremony. An ocean of people is impatiently waiting for Sardar as he heads for the Darbar Bhavan along with the Jam Sahib of Navanagar. 5 kings of Kathiawar states take their oaths of allegiance to the Indian Union as the Jam Sahib, head of the state of Navanagar, looks on. Sardar Patel, delivering a speech on the occasion, pays rich tributes to the Mahatma Gandhi and says that it was Gandhiji who inspired him to walk the path of love and reconciliation. He states that he has complete faith and trust in the leaders of New Saurashtra and he is confident that they will succeed in their endeavors as they present a unique example of unity to the world.
1947. Establishment of the Saurashtra Union by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Engaging in a series of dialogues with the kings and princes of numerous princely states like Saurashtra, Hyderabad, Gwalior and others, seeing through the cunningness and craft of British diplomacy and drawing from his indomitable willpower and political flair, Sardar Patel successfully got the big, small and innumerable princely states of the land to join hands, resulting in the formation of a strong, united and integral Indian Republic. Today, the whole nation comes together to pay homage to the Iron Man of India for his heroic contributions. And, standing tall as a monumental tribute to his ideals is a historic initiative that will lend India a whole new identity. An exemplary paradigm defining India's unity in diversity. Presenting the Statue of Unity. The world's tallest statue. Proclaiming to the world that this indeed is Ek Bharat, Shresht Bharat. A magnum opus that has never been attempted before, that is more than just mere salutations and is much more than just another architectural or engineering marvel. Double the height of New York's Statue of Liberty, 5 times taller than Rio de Janeiro's Christ the Redeemer, the world's tallest memorial, the Statue of Unity, will be 1.5 times taller than the Sardar Sarovar Dam and as tall as a 60-storied building. As the largest statue in the world at 182 meters, it was only natural that the location for the monument should also be fitted. And what could be a better site than the Sardar Sarovar itself? The Statue of Unity would be nestled in the foothills of Satpura ranges and 3 kilometers downstream from the dam on the Narmada River on Sadhu Bet. The project will see the setting up of research centers in subjects close to the Sardar's heart: agriculture, water, environment, biotechnology and tribal welfare. With high-tech research institutes, tribal universities and interpretation centers, the expanse will blossom into a knowledge hub. The Statue of Unity Memorial will also be developed as a vibrant tourist destination. Standing in the midst of 12 kilometers long artificially created water body and accessed by boat, the 360-degree observation deck of the Statue of Unity at a height of 400 feet will enable visitors to get a panoramic view of the Sardar Sarovar Dam and its beautiful natural surroundings of the Vindhya and Satpura mountain range. Other attractions will be the Memorial and Visitor Center, Exhibition Gallery, Shresht Bharat Bhavan Convention and Training Center, Amphitheatre, Underwater Aquarium and Sound and Laser Show developed through the mediums of tourism and entertainment infrastructures. Unity is our strength. Diversity is our identity. Just like Sardar Patel had brought together a fragmented nation and carved it into one singular, united entity, similarly, the entire country will join forces and rally behind this grand, imposing structure. For it is only with the efforts of the nation's 120 crore people that this glorious dream will be realized. Collaborating to honor the son of the soil, Sardar Patel, will be the farming community from across the country. Farmers from across 7 lakh villages of India will donate one used agriculture tool of iron, which will be melted and used in the construction of the monument. Managing this prestigious project will be Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited, the creator of the 3rd largest gravity dam in the world. To ensure that the project receives undivided administrative focus, SSNNL has formed a purpose-specific society, the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Rashtriya Ekta Trust, ably guided by Honorable Chief Minister Narendra Modi. To supervise and help execute a project of such vast stature, Turner Project Management India Limited, the consultant company that overlooked the building of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the world's tallest building, has been engaged as a project management consultant through a process of international bidding. On its completion, the project will transform India's identity to the world, as this project will be not just a tourist spot, but a source of inspiration. Not just a lofty monument, but a glorious vision. A historical communion connecting India's past with her future. And a mighty tribute to the beloved Sardar Patel from the 120 crore people of the country. Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue. Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat.